Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Glossybox. This is the March 2026 Glossybox, and yeah, I'm excited to see what we've got inside. Also, I should probably move my camera because the light's wild. Okay, hopefully that's marginally better. So here is the Glossybox. I have not yet looked inside, so let's do it together. So this month we have the classic pink Glossybox, and let's look at what's inside. I don't know what it is, but this box smells really good today. This box is right up my street, so I'm excited to get into it. I wonder where I should start first. I might go best till last, but I might just dive in quite randomly. So yeah, let's get into the first item. So first up, we have a cleansing balm from Dr. Pawpaw. Of course, I know that iconic moisturizing balm. I've not tried this before. I'm really excited. I'm sure it'll be really good because everything else I've tried from them has been really good. So yeah, let's open it up and have a smell. Okay, so it's fragrance free, which is always a good thing, especially if you have very sensitive skin. And it's just a really nice, kind of quite oily, but like in a good way, consistency, really kind of light and easy to spread over the skin. So I'm really looking forward to that. That sounds perfect for getting off all that tough mascara and eyeliner. So that is the first item. Then next up, we have a kohl eyeliner from Gosh. And weirdly, I have been considering buying a kohl eyeliner for a while now, especially in a brown shade, because I've just been thinking, would it be nicer to have a slightly softer wing for the summer? Because you know me, I always go black and I always go liquid, but I'm thinking, would it be nice to have a softer one? That's a lovely consistency, by the way, and it is a nice dark brown. So that is the next item, Gosh kohl eyeliner. Thank you very much. Next up, if you are going on holiday, this will be absolutely perfect for you because when you are traveling, if you are going any kind of long haul, it is so nice to be able to put one of these on your flight, give your eyes a rest. If you want to try and have a nap, it's perfect for feeling, I don't know, like you can block out the light, but also kind of like have a bit of privacy. So I absolutely love these, and these are just perfect for travel for me. So I love that. This is branded Glossybox, I think. Yes, it is. And it's a very pretty blue colour, so always good for me. Then we have a lip balm from Dr. Lip. I always love these. They are the best lip balms, and this is one of the tinted ones. It's tinted with sweet potato. Let me show you the colour. These are just perfect for like when you have really dry lips and you want hydration, but you also just want a little hit of colour. So that is that. It's just a really small tint of colour. I don't know if you can see that. I might try on here. Yeah, just a really subtle shade. So there you go. I'm terrible at swatches, do you know that? And then finally, the creme de la creme of the box is from Percy and Reed, and this is the volumizing no oil oil. This is one of their most iconic products. I'm super excited, and it's a really generous size. It's 30 mils, which is incredible. This is probably alone is worth more than the price of the entire box. And that is amazing. And also, I think this is what was making the box smell so good. Anyway, that is the brand new Glossybox. I think it's really good. This is obviously my favourite product, but I'm also really excited about the 3-in-1 cleansing balm from Dr. Pawpaw. I obviously love the Dr. Lip. It's one of my favourite brands. I'm excited for the kohl eyeliner because I do want to kind of dive into a little bit more kohl and a bit more brown for the summer. And yeah, an eye mask is always handy. So I think it's a great box, great value. Yeah, I think it's amazing. What do you think? Let me know. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.